Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus, which is lines and angles, and in previous class we discuss all the important concept like adjacent angle, what is the concept of corresponding angles, and also we discuss about the alternate interior angle, co-interior angle which is made by the transversal, and we also take and discuss the important questions, the very important topic which is what complementary and supplementary angles, and we take and solve some important questions based on these topics. Okay, now dear students, in today's class we take and solve some important questions of your syllabus based on angle made by the transversal. Angle made by the transversal. Let's see in the given figure, and the question is in the given figure. Okay, in the given figure, dear friends, find the value of angle PQR. Angle PQR. Find the value of angle PQR, and your figure is, look, and it is given that OP parallel to RS. This is O, this is P. Okay, this is the figure, and this is RS. Okay, this is 130, this is 0.2. This is 130 degree, dear friends. This is okay. This is 130 degree. 110. Okay. We find angle PQR. This is Q. Dear friends, this is Q. We find that angle. Now let's see its solution. Dear student, what is the process to solve these questions? Look, the main concept, what is the method now? Dear student, for that question, first of all, we have to do some construction. Okay, and dear student, we just revised this chapter. We already discussed about this chapter, and we take and solve so many times of these types of questions. Okay, many times, but this is the revision of the syllabus. So now we take that question. Now first of all, we have to do some construction. For that, look, what is the construction? First of all, we draw a line AB. Which is parallel to OP as well as parallel to RS. Okay, so let us consider we draw a line AB. Which is parallel to OP as well as RS. Okay, we draw a line AB which is parallel to OP as well as RS. Now look, we take AQ parallel to OP, and QP as a transversal, and QP as a transversal, and QP as a transversal. That is angle. This angle is, they form the co-interior angle. Okay, that is angle OPQ plus angle PQA is equal to 180. These are the what co-interior angles. And you student, we discuss about the co-interior angle key. The co-interior angles are supplementary to each other. Okay. Now dear student, we put the values as angle OPQ is what 110. PQA is what we find that. Angle PQA we find this is 180. Now angle PQA is equal to 180 minus 110, that is what 70 degrees. That is angle PQA is equal to 70 degree. So different this angle is what 70 degree. Okay. Now for that side, now we take this side. Now listen, RS parallel to QB. Now we take RS parallel to QB and QR as a transversal and QR as a transversal, that is angle SRQ plus angle R2B is equal to 180. That is SR2, that is 130 degree plus R2B, right as it is equal to 180 degree. So from there this is angle R2B is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. 180 degree minus 130 degree. So we get angle R2B is equal to 180 minus 130, which is what 50 degree. This is what 50 degree. This is what 50 degree. Okay. Now in this way we find that angle is what 50, but we find these angle PQR. Now look, now this one from figure, look, now from figure AQB is a straight line. AQB is straight line, that is AQB is a straight line. So that is 70 degree plus angle PQR plus 50 degrees equal to 180 degree. Okay. This is 150 degree, na 180 degree, because of you know that the sum of all angles on the straight line is equal to what 180. So in this way we find that. Now this is 120 plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. So angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 120 degree. 180 minus 120 degree. Now that is 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. So thus this is the required solution of the given problem. Thus in this way we can say that angle PQR is a 60 degree. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. So please, dear student, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise. Now we take and solve some of the important questions based on lines and angles. Let's see. And the question is, look, now we take a very important question based on line and angles, and your question is, if the complement of an angle, if the complement of an angle, if the complement of an angle is equal to the supplement of the is equal to the supplement of the thrice of it, supplement of the thrice of it, equal to the supplement of the thrice of it. Okay, find the measure of the angle. Find the measure of the angle. Find the measure of the angle. Now let's see its solution. This is a very important question based on lines and angles, and this topic based on the supplementary and supplementary angles. Now let's see. Now first of all, let the angle be x. Let the angle be x. Let the angle be x. Then its complement will be, then its complement is equal to 90 minus x, and supplement is 180 minus x. Okay. So first of all, let the angle be x, then its complement will be 90 minus x, and its supplement will be 180 minus x. Now according to questions. Okay. Now according to question, what is the question here? If the complement of an angle is equal to the supplement of the thrice of it, means complement of an angle means that angle. Complement of an angle, dear students, complement of an angle is equal to the supplement of the thrice of it. Okay, 99 is equal to 3 into 180 minus x equal to 90 minus x equal to 540 minus 3x. Now this is 3x minus x equal to 540 minus 90. So this is 2x is equal to the supplement of the thrice of it. Okay. Now this is 2x equal to, this is 540 minus 90 is 0. Now that is 0 to 14 minus 5 and 4, 450. Now so x equal to 450 upon 2, that is 225. So this is the required solution. Okay, so in this way, dear students, in today's class we take and solve some important questions based on the topic lines and angles, and we simplify them. Now first of all, you revise all the important questions which we discussed in that class and also in previous classes. Okay, now we take and solve some other important questions based on lines and angles. Let's see. We take and solve some important question based on this topic, lines and angles. And your question is two supplementary angles, two supplementary angles are in the ratio, are in the ratio 4:5, are in the ratio 4:5. Find the angles. Find the angle. Now let's see its solution. Okay, let's see. Just you know that very well, two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum of measures is 180. So let us consider the angles are 4x and 5x respectively. 4x and 5x respectively. That is, now since both are supplementary to each other, na, since these are supplementary to each other. These are supplementary to each other. That is, their sum of measures is 180. That is 4x plus 5x is equal to 180 degree. Because of both are supplementary to each other, so their sum of measures is 180. Now this is 9x is equal to 180. That is x is equal to 180 upon 9 to the 18 0. So the value of x is what? 2. So in this way, we find the value of x as what? 20. Thus the required angles are 4x and 5x. No? So 4x means 4 into 20, this is 80 degree, and so 5 into x means 20, this is 10 degree. So in this way, the required angles are what? 80 degree and 100 degree respectively. This is a very important concept, the very important questions related to the chapters lines and angles. Now we take and solve some other important types of questions based on these topics. Let's see. Now we take the questions is, we take some important questions in the given figure of your NCERT exercise. In the given figure, lines xy and mn, line xy and mn intersect at O. Intersect at O if angle POI is equal to 90 degree and A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3. A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 3. Find C. And your figure is, this is xy, okay, and this is mn, intersect each other at point O, okay, and here OP is stand on that line XY. Okay, AB. This is A, this is B. Okay, and this is C. This is C. Angle C. Okay. So if all that figure, in that figure we find value of C. Now let's see its solution. Now let's see its solution. What is the process to solve that questions? Okay, dear friends. Now look here. If the given figure lines XY and MN intersect at O. If POY is equal to 90 degree, here angle POY is given as what? 90 degree. Okay. Now look. So and A ratio B is equal to 2:3. Okay. So look, for that question from figure, it is clear that from figure it is clear that it is from figure it is clear that the ray OM and OP stand on the line XY. That is, their sum of measures is what? 180 degree. Okay. Their sum of measures means angle XOM plus angle MOP plus angle POI is equal to 180. Means angle XOM, this is B plus A plus 90 is equal to 180. That is A plus B is equal to 180 minus 90 degree. So A plus B is equal to 90. Equation number first. Thus, in our question we already have what? Let A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x respectively. Because of the ratio of A is to B is given as 2:3. Okay. Now, so here we put A as what? This is 2x. B is what as 3x is equal to 90. So we get what? This is 5x is equal to 90. That is x is equal to 90 upon 5. 90 upon 5. This is what? 18. So the value of x is what? 18. So x is equal to value of x is equal to 18. Okay. Thus the value of A is what? Thus the A is what? 2x means 2 into 18. This is 36 degree. One answer. This is first one 36 degree, and the second one B is equal to what? 3x. 3 into x is 18. This is 54 degree. Okay. In this way, we get the value of A and B. But according to question, we find the value of angle C. Now look, for finding the value of angle C, look, dear friends. This is C now. Now from figure MN is a straight line now. Is a straight line, that is angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. B plus C is equal to 180. Now the value of B is what? 54 degree is what? 54 plus c is equal to 180. Thus the value of c is equal to 180 minus what? 180 minus 54. So we get 126. We get 126 days. This is the value of angle C. Okay. So therefore, in this way, this is the required solution. So in this way, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics in this way. So please just do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, now we take and solve some other important questions based on this one. Now we take one more question is where we take some important questions based on these topics. In the given figure, find the value of x. In the given figure, find the value of x. Okay. Now, and your figure is, look, P, Q, R and S. Okay, and here 64x 40 degree, 64x and 40 degree. Okay, so now look, let's see its solution. So based on for that question, we find the value of x. Since you know that the value concept of linear pair is the sum of all angles on the linear pair is equal to, the sum of all angles on the straight line is equal to 180 degree. So from figure PS is a straight line and this is OQ and OR be raised stand on line PS. That is, this is the straight line. The sum of their angles is what? 180 degree. That is 60 plus 4x plus 40 is equal to 180. From there, this is 100 plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so from there, this is 4x is equal to 180 minus 100, so 4x is equal to, this is what? 80. So the value of x is what? 80 upon 4, this is 20. So thus the value of x is what? 20. This is the required solution of the given question. Thus, dear students, in this way, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on the topic lines and angles. Okay, so now this question is clear, everyone? Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way, in today's class, we take some important questions based on these topics. Now, In next class, we take and solve some other important questions based on this topic. Okay, now thanks to all.